Okay, so here's my Arduino's, as it's called. You've got 6 potentiometers, hooked up to 5 volts on ground, and then each sending a signal into analog pins 0 to 5. And then lastly, I've got a speaker here going from ground and then again into digital pin 9, which is disconnected just for the minute, just so you can't hear anything. Now, how the Arduino works is that it has all these funcnums or modes, and that's dictated by this potentiometer here. Whatever that dictates then determines what these remaining potentiometers do. For example, if it were a drum sequencer, which is one of them, then these function as attack, decay, sustain, and so on. And I'm just going to show you a few examples of what it can do. The first one I'm going to show you is called Freak 4 Frogs, which is essentially a 4-step sequencer. So there's the 4-step sequencer. It's controls these as pitch 1, 2, and 3, and then tempo here, and then you've got duration of notes on this potentiometer number 5. The next one I'm going to show you is a drum sequencer called bit kicks on the in the Arduino code, and how that uses is potentiometers 1 or analog input 0 for attack, then BPM for number 2, decay for number 3, and release for number 4, and number 5 isn't used. So if I plug it in again and find the mode, as you can hear, it's a constant. I can change the BPM with this. And the attack with this one. So you can see this one's changing the tempo. This one's the attack. And this one here is decay. And then finally we've got release. You can hear it comes very short. And the last one I'm going to show you, just for example, is the another sequencer, which I think is the Four Frogs Funknum. And again, this one uses simply bar length and then pitch 1, 2, and 3, and potential 5 isn't used. So if I plug it back in, switch over. Sorry, is this one that is BPM? This one isn't involved. So just to clarify, that one does use potentiometer 5. These 4 are now pitch, and then this one here is the bar length or tempo. So there's just 3 examples, and now I'm going to manipulate some of these qualities in the code and see what I can make.